Hello, friends. I know it's been a very long time. I have gray hairs now. Yes, I have gray hairs now. And then they got the nerve to be on the little bit of edges that I do have. Excuse me? Yeah, you know, my little youthful young self now has gray hairs. America. But I just wanted to come to you guys before I go to brunch to say, hey, happy November 1st. I officially decided to start making videos again. Put on a little makeup, a little something, a little light work, no foundation. Even though I could have used some foundation to blend in with my concealer, but whatevs. I got this little leather S dress from Target, which I love, and I will show you guys later before Danielle comes over here and cusses me out along with Patricia. All right, see you in a bit. Let me see this. Martini pick. Oh. You know when we do the martini pick, I'm gonna have to arrange the table. Oh yeah, rearrange it. Yeah.
Like now that we're separated, it's a little better, but
doesn't it? So damn good.
I feel like it's so much food.
So much. Oh, turn that around. Let me see that. You have to look at the food section. Yeah. Beautiful. I love that you got a salad.
It's cute.
So good of you. Okay, so even though we're wearing masks everywhere, I still on occasion enjoy wearing like a lip combo because it's me. So as I'm waiting for my cousin to get her shit together and get out of her house and come into my car, I'm gonna put on my chestnut lip liner and this Chanel gloss. It's a Rouge Cocoa gloss in 714. If I remember correctly, 714 is caramel or Noche Muscat, I believe. I could be wrong. It's one of those two. I'll correct it in the description bar. I know my dress, which you guys didn't get to see because like this woman kept walking around, it's supposed to close in the top, but because you know I like to, you know, shit the girls up, you know. But let me put this on real quick. I like filming from my phone. You know, this morning I discovered I have two. Let me tell you something. These damn Walmart eyelashes are no joke. These earrings that I have in, I had gotten some years ago from Aldo, and I didn't realize I had two pairs of the same damn earrings. And I was definitely that person. If I really liked something, I would buy multiple of it, the same exact thing. Isn't that a pretty gloss? Look. Now that it's on my lips, I definitely believe this is caramel. Because Noche Muscat is a little bit sheerer than this. I could be wrong though. You'll find out when you look in the Darm bar. But I love Chanel's glosses. I know. You don't gotta tell me. I know. I think I'm gonna film a favorites video today too. Just because, you know, why waste this good brow action? I need to actually like get rid. See, on a rainy Sunday, I want to be in bed, but I have things to do. But one of these things did not include coming to Home Depot, and I know what she was trying to do. You guys ever have that older cousin that always tries to like, not meddle, but you know, they express concern? So she was like, oh, let's go over here. And I'm like, what's over there? We're going to the grocery store across the street? And she's like, no, let's go to Home Depot so we can look at the tiling. I was like, I thought we were going to do that during the week. And she's like, oh, it's raining. It's not going to be that many people there. The people that are in Home Depot are going to be serious, you know? Girl, I pulled up, and I'm one of those people. I don't know if you guys have ever seen. I'm one of those people that I will pull, because Home Depot's front entrance is really wide. So in order for her not to get wet, like I'll pull my car like right up to the front door. It almost looks like I'm going to run my car into the store. God forbid that ever happens to me or anyone else. But she looked and she was like, so you're really not going to come in the store? I was like, I have heels on. Like, I'm dressed for brunch, not Home Depot. Like, I know what she was trying to do. So for those of you single ladies that you're looking, Sometimes you need to go to Home Depot on a weekend, you know, a little cute, not trying too hard, and get your cleaning supplies. But I'm not in the mood for that, and I'm definitely, this will be another video, but I am not dating or trying to date. I don't want to talk to nobody for at least a year. I don't want nobody in my phone. I don't want nobody sending me no bullshit text messages talking about something, what you doing, WYD, none of that shit. For a whole year, just for a year. Like, I do not want to be emotionally invested in anybody, anyone but me, just for one whole year. Like, I don't want to, no, just to be totally single, like totally single, where I'm not thinking about anybody else, not wondering what they're thinking or feeling. 1 year. So she can go to Home Depot, go look at the talent and take pictures and send it to my phone, or she can wait for another day. I ain't going in there today. No. And let me put you guys on game even more so, because she doesn't know. She thinks like, she thinks her little setup was gonna work, but she doesn't know, like, I'm the queen of matchmaking. Ask a couple of my friends, okay? They're engaged, okay? I'm very good at matchmaking, but we're usually the people that our love lives are in shambles. We can hook everybody else up, but not ourselves. Anyway, you go at 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m. on a Saturday. You don't go at 2:40 p.m. on a Sunday to go check for your boo. This is when the married guys that are like, oh shoot, let me go get this stuff now before she remembers on Monday after she had a bad day at work. Sir, I'm not pulling out the spot. My car's not on. You don't see them lights on. So she thinks she knows what she's doing, but I'm already a pro. Ooh, I went to the mall. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get the whole, I don't want to wear a mask, but I feel like it's, if you want to make it an option, make it an option, but I'm going to wear a mask. Like, is lipstick more important in my respiratory system? No. But if you feel how you feel, you feel how you feel. But don't get upset at other people who are looking at you crazy, or people call you selfish, or whatever. You can't get mad at that because you feel how you feel. If you just own it and be like, yeah, I'm selfish and I don't want to do this shit. Don't try to like act as if it's like some righteous act or whatever, because it's not. Like, at this point, just a lot of the stuff people have been doing as of late, and I'm saying that right now because yo, back in March when I was talking to you guys and I was like, stay calm, it'll be okay, I truly thought it was gonna be okay. I really did. So I'm not even gonna say it's gonna be okay. Like, just watch yourself, protect yourself however you feel it necessary to do. If you are concerned, keep yourself calm. You can't control the actions of other people. Don't let the actions of other people bother you, even though they could potentially affect you. But it is what it is. Like, you know, it is what it is. And definitely, like, you know, just take it easy and do what's best for yourself. Like, don't let these people hype you and get you out of a bubble, because I truly believe a lot of these people are walking around looking for attention and looking for an outlet to get their anger and aggression out. Because some of the stuff I'm hearing, I'm like, but what does that have to do with you? What does that have to do with you? Question. What does that have to do with you? And I can't seem to get an answer. Like, I see some people getting gun-ho and they're like, they're doing this, they're doing that. And I'm like, did they do that in your neighborhood? Did they do that to your house? And they're like, no, but what? What does it have to do with you? Like, why are you getting so hyped up about something you really don't know about? You're just seeing it from the comforts of your home. Like, what does that have to do with you? Have you seen any of this? So, I don't know, you guys. I don't know. I said what I said. I'll be back. Hey guys, so I am finally home. Finally got a little something in a mug, and I just want to relax for a little bit. I'm about to get in the shower, take this off, and head to bed. And hopefully I will see you guys mañana. I did a lot of running around, but let me show you guys my earrings because they're cute. They're by Kate Spade. They're little pretzels. I got them a few years back, but I thought they were super cute. Who doesn't love a pretzel? Very few people. So I totally forgot that Girlfriends and the game like kind of spun off, and I'm looking at like the original characters that were supposed to be like Kelly and Derwin. It's just crazy. Good morning. Welcome to the vlog. So I am stopping at this bakery, little hole in the wall spot, and I'm gonna get some cannolis from my coworker. It is 5:58 a.m. They open at 6. This is love, because usually I'm not very pleasant first thing in the morning. Still with the mask. Yeah, I could have thrown on some lashes, but I didn't. It's officially fall. I'm so tired, you guys. I got no sleep. I am literally on pins and needles. I have so much to do tomorrow. Oh, that's my little dust rag back there. Looks a little ghetto, but it's fine. So I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear. It's gonna be all black everything. Wrap up my hair, get myself together, get a good night's rest, because 4 a.m. we are up. We are getting ourselves out and we are voting. Okay? Well, my curls are gone. My pretty curls that I had last night, all gone. My hair is like limp, but it's fine. I just need to brush it. The wind whipped it around. I can't believe how windy and cold it is. Like, whew. You know how your nose kind of runs when it's I got the voter sticker. You know, my stupid ass, I was sitting there, I was like, where's the black person? Because I know like this country's founding fathers were all white, considering, but I know there was a black person. Of course, I found this person who they didn't teach us about in school. Clearly she passed, but her name is Anna Louise James of Old Saybrook. Was a community leader who was active in local political organizations and was one of the first women and African Americans to register to vote in the town. She was also the first female pharmacist in Connecticut. Thank you, Anna. Shout out to you, girl. Okay. Because, you know, clearly I said I live in Connecticut, so you know what the other stickers look like. I was like, I don't want that. I want the black person that I don't know nothing about. That's what I want. All right. Now that I could feel my fingers again, whew, I got some errands to run, and I'm gonna head to work. Ooh, fragrance of the day is Chloe Nomad Absolute. And savior of my lips is the mask, as well as this Kapari. I'm not wowed by this, but it's not bad. I don't think I would buy it again. I don't know. It's like my third time using it, so I still like my Lano lips, but I do like the little bit of gloss it gives you for like 10 minutes. So, you know, that's not bad. Ooh. While I was waiting in line, I used this cuticle oil. It's new to me, but it definitely saved my cuticles from looking dry and crusty the way they were looking this morning. So, all right, let me plug in my phone and get out of here. So, I am currently at Target waiting for my drive-up order because I am not in the mood to be around people. Just, you know, just come and drop it in the trunk or in the car. That's what I need you to do. Oh my goodness, you guys. Like, my anxiety levels are on 10, and I don't like the fact that, like, I feel so anxious. It's almost that same feeling that I remember getting, like, you know, when you were anticipating Christmas. But, like, you also anticipated a little bit of disappointment, where you're just like, damn, I hope I get everything that I asked for, but I know I'm gonna get socks from one of these relatives, that kind of thing. So that's how I feel right now. I'm about to meet one of my girlfriends to have some wine. This particular restaurant, I hope they still have it, but they used to do like this gnocchi, butternut squash gnocchi dish. It's a small plate, and it is just so good and comforting. I don't care how many calories is in it, clearly. But, ooh, I think she's here with my stuff. Yay. This is how you know it's a pandemic, that I keep getting to places before everybody else. Like, where they do that at? 2021, we need to get back to normal, where I'm always running late and everybody's waiting on me. Is it good like it normally is?
Yeah, it is good.
Oh, look at all that sexiness. Ooh, look at that good margarita goodness. Okay, so as I am pulling out of Starbucks, good morning to everyone. It is Friday, November 6th, and number one, I'm running late to work, and I don't care. Number two, I just got my coffee from Starbucks. Today was your free cup day. They have the new holiday cup. So I got that. I'm not crazy about this year's cup, but I mean, it's always a red cup. But one year I hope they do like a green cup with white snowflakes on it. I think that would be cute. Or a red cup with white snowflakes on it. You know? That would be cute. But this year, our cup looks like this. This is what the cup looks like this year. Oh, I didn't even see you there, miss. Sometimes you have to treat yourself for not knocking somebody out during the week. So, I bought myself a little tiny something. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to save it. I know you guys are like, so what's the point of showing this on the video? The point is, they have been trying me all week. Today is Thursday, and I have not flipped out. I've been really good, really calm. So I treated myself. It's shiny. Hey, you guys. So it is Saturday night. I literally spent the whole day in bed. Like, mind you, I had stuff that I needed to do. I had errands to run, and your girl was like, nope. I was going to go get my hair re-blown out. No, didn't do that. I am on my way to my friend's cousin's house to have just like a girls' night chit-chat, because I've been needing that. And like, my sister is all the way in Hawaii. Oh, the grocery store is right there. I have an idea for a cocktail. Let me get my reusable bag. Put my mask on. Thank you, Terica. This mask is cute. I put the filter on the inside. Okay. Big food spread? Yes, sis. Let me see the next one. All right. Yes. That two bun up. What a red one there.
Yum yum sauce.
Oh, you made yum yum sauce? See, that's why you're my good ass friend. You see that? Yes. In here.